Clients can set up customized notification rules for each enrolled account. Click on Setup Notification Rules. The notification rules displays dynamic information based on the accounts the user has been granted permission for. Accounts with an asterisk indicate the notification rules have not been modified from the system default of sending notifications of all debits to the default notification contact. To set up a notification rule, move accounts from Select Accounts to Accounts Selected or vice versa. Select the account and use the arrows in the middle. Single right arrow moves the selected account to the right. Double right arrow moves all accounts to the right. Click the Next button to set up contacts. You will notice that the default notification contact's first and last name and email address displays on the page. Once the notification condition is modified from the default notification contact's email address must be added for them to receive the email alert. If the financial institution supports text alerts, a section for cell phone number entry is displayed above the section for email address entry. Up to 6 entries can be made in each section. When complete, click Next to proceed to the Conditions tab. 4 categories of notification conditions are available. Only one of the 4 radio buttons can be selected. Notify for all ACH debits. If the first radio button is selected, contacts will receive an alert or alerts each time ACH debits are received. Notify for ACH debits over a specific dollar amount. If the second radio button is selected, an amount must be entered in the box and contacts will receive an alert or alerts each time an ACH debit is received greater than the amount entered. Notifications can be restricted to certain types of transactions. If the third radio button is selected, any or all of the 3 boxes below can be checked. The choices are checks that have been converted into ACH debits for clearing, electronic payments made on the internet or on a mobile device using checking or savings account information, payments made by phone using checking or savings account information. Notifications can be limited by using the approved list and selecting the 4th radio button. With this condition selected, contacts will receive an alert or alerts when ACH debits are received by a company that is not set up on the approved list or is set up but the transaction violates the parameter set within the approved list entry. Click the Next button to proceed to the Confirm tab. The Confirm page displays account selection, contact, and notification conditions set. If it is accurate, click the Save button. If it is inaccurate, click the Back button to make corrections.